KM Forex Wave. Disclaimer, this $30 is just a credit bonus promo of XM, you can't withdraw this $30, but you can trade, and once your forecast is right, the profit is yours. Again, only profit you can withdraw in this $30. What mostly the problem that encounter when to jump to global market? Number 1, how to trade. 2, knowledge. Some of the traders don't want to study, they have lack of knowledge. Some are they don't know where to start. Remember, Forex is very risky. 3, lack of capital. Some are didn't want to invest but they want to earn. Forex is investment, but you are the one who controlling your earning. Your profit is depending to your knowledge. In this video I'm going to teach you how to claim free $30 credit in XM Broker. First you need to go to the XM website, or you can see the link in description box below. Second, fill up the registration, then click I want to claim bonus. Third, provide the documents that the broker asks, like government ID, proof of residency, any billing that has your permanent address. Fourth, wait to verify your account, then your account manager will send a link of MT4, download MT4, then you have now your trading account. Again, the $30 is credit bonus, you cannot withdraw the credit, and you can only withdraw is your profit in $30. Let me help you to visualize. Click this link that you can see in screen, you can see this also in description box below. Copy the link in any browser, then you will direct to XM registration account. Read the instructions, and fill up the registration form. Put your personal details. By the way, you cannot withdraw your fund or profit using others people's account, even it is your relatives. Your XM and bank must same account name. Choose MT4, that's where I am comfortable to use, but you can also choose MT5, they are almost the same, the only difference is what they offer to trade, but in Forex, they are relevant. Next, pick standard lot, but you can pick other account type. If you have question, once you fill up the form, even you don't finish to fill up, your account manager will call you to assist you. If you have question, don't hesitate to ask them, especially to these account type. Also, my Telegram account is in description below, you can DM me if you have questions. In our next lesson I will include these topic about the difference of MT4 and MT5, also differences of account type and leverage. Next, proceed to step 2. Choose US dollar currency. Then click 1:100 leverage, you can also pick 1:400, in our next lesson I'm going to include this topic. Then click the I wish to receive the bonus. Then fill the information. And submit the requirements that ask, like government ID, proof of billing. Then wait to verify your account. Check your emails 1 to 2 days. Your account manager might call you, then once your account is verified, your account manager will send your server, user, and password and MT4 to your email, download it and log in, and that's it. Congratulations! Now your official have an access to global market. The question is, how to operate MT4, also how execute trade and what strategy to use. And that will be our next lesson. If you have questions and suggestion, kindly contact us any of this social media account, you can also see this to description below. Like, share and subscribe and ring the notification bell for you updated to our lesson. See you in next class.